Hi everybody and welcome back, and this is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and today we are gonna be looking at how to open a Google Takeout Mbox file, and this is going to be a complete step-by-step process, so make sure to follow till the end of this video so you don't miss a single step. Let's just begin with our process. Alright, so first of all, what we're going to do is we need this application installed onto your device, whatever that you are using. So this is called as Thunderbird, and you can see this is basically free to download, and they have different resources provided. You can go through their official site and check out what they have to offer. So you can see, first of all, we need to click on this download button at the top. I have already downloaded this, so make sure that you have downloaded as well and installed onto your system. Alright, so now we have a step-by-step guide as well that we can go through. So let's just say you have the file takeout.mbox. Then once you have made your Thunderbird import tool ready, you can see, let me show you as well. So basically here it is going to be looking something like this. We have a few options in this application. By the way, if you do not if you never used this before, you can see on the top we have this contacts section or address book. If you head over to that, you can also add new contacts in here and various other features, like for example first name, last name display. We have email and everything pretty much being discussed in here. Now if we look at our second option, it is going to be the calendar, and you can use this to schedule and add different type of sections inside, categories and whatsoever that you discuss. After that, you can see we have this, you can say like a check mark or this another section. So this is basically tasks, and if you're wondering that how it is going to be working, you can add your various type of tasks in here and filter them out using the date on the left side of your screen. So you can see you have your filters for today, next 7 days, and so on. So if you jump to the third option, it is going to be chat, so you can also start with your chat. Now what we're going to do in here is basically, as you can see, once you install your Thunderbird, you need to click on the hamburger grid icon in the top right corner for the account settings. So you can see we have this account setting option in here. So let's just head over to that, and then we are going to be simply adding a server in here, most probably. This is head over to that. So you can see you can simply click on add-ons and themes from the bottom left side bar. So everything is pretty much available here. You can see add-ons and themes. Let's just go through that, and we have various themes being offered in here. So this is going to be a step-by-step process. So by the way, you can subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already, since we are uploading this type of amazing videos now. And now you can see the themes and everything is basically showing up here. So another thing is you can click on import and search field, search for different type of themes and everything. Now to import your .mbox file, you can right click on the Swart More Importer email that you just created, and that is going to be by an extension or add-on that you can of course install using this fields. You can see we have extensions over here, and you can pretty much go for them as well. So make sure you install the proper theme that is required for this particular maneuver, and then you're going to be hovering over to the import export tools and then import all the Mbox files from the directory. Now this is going to be the important part, since you need to simply import all the Mbox files. So you can see once you install your extension, you are able to import your .mbox file. I currently do not have any, so I'm going to be demonstrating you step by step. So everything is basically quite simple, and you can also go through that yourself as well. As you can see, then you need to click on OK. Once you do that, you need to navigate to the folder where you your Google Takeout.mbox files is stored. So then you can select folder where you where all your Google Takeout Mbox files are stored as well. And click on open, and the contents of your .mbox files will be imported in the Thunderbird. So make sure to give try to all of these, and you can also remove your account or email account if you want to do that. So basically everything should be done inside Thunderbird, since this is the best and suggested takeout Mbox file reader. If you're facing any type of issues, then this is the exact thing that you should be heading over to. Now, if we talk about some other steps, like for example, if you're facing an issues while installing your Thunderbird, that could be due to maybe you are installing it in a wrong drive. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, by the way, and this is the most suggested method, since you're going to be using your Thunderbird to extract and import files. So yeah, I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. By the way, you can also head over to the settings, and you can see basically all of these settings available in here if you want to customize them as well. You have your Thunderbird start page, your system integration, your language and appearance, fonts and colors, plain text messages, and many more, like for example incoming calls. Now the point to be noted here is that if you head over to composition, you should be having in here addressing, which should be corrected if you are trying to enter different type of contacts or addresses in here. So if you simply dive through these sections, it are going to be using to import your different type of file formats as well. You can see below we have attachments, so you can also offer to share files for larger than 5 MBs. You can increase it if you have larger files that you want to share, and a lot of guys are having issue if you are trying to simply attach files. So make sure you head over to the settings of Thunderbird. Once you are here, you will be able to realize we have this attachments, and under that we have check for missing attachments section, and also we have offer to share files larger than 6 MBs and stuff like that. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, make sure to subscribe to our channel as discussed already. Stay tuned for more, and with that being said, that is going to be the end of this video. If you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below. I will be trying my best to get back to you as soon as possible, trying to fix it up for you guys. And yeah, so make sure to share with your friends if you feel like the video was valuable, and we are regularly uploading this type of content, so make sure to check out on our channel as well. That is it for this video, guys. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.